Hi, it's me again with Redraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this logo. It is too fuzzy to trace, but I think we can just draw it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rings. I'm going to hit P and put this in the center of the page, and I'm going to draw an ellipse and hit P. And that's pretty close. I want it about in the center of the ring, and also the not necessary is in the center. And I'm going to make that thicker. Let's try 10. That's not thick enough. 16. That looks about. Um, I am going to go to object and convert that outline to an object, and I'm going to left click, right click. And then I'm going to control D and make a duplicate. Holding down the shift key, I'm going to bring it in. Now it made the line thinner, but that's what this is. Let's nudge this out. What happens now? Um, let's take this and go to effects, and there are, I think there's 5 in the center. That's perfect. And you get that blend. You know what? That's pretty much it. Yeah, that's remarkable. So, tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to group this together and then put this back and kind of get this angle of cut on that one. That one goes all the way. No, it doesn't. Let's take a 2-point line. And see, they're not, they're kind of stair-stepped. They're not going to be sharp points. Mine are going to be sharp points, but I think we can fix that later. And if we take the Smart Fill tool, let's go ahead and get close to that green. Okay, what I'm going to have to do is weld this now. See if it'll work. Okay, we can't weld it because it's a blend. So let's select it all, go up to Object, ungroup all. Still don't want to weld because it is a blend. So what this line might be messing me up because this is the blend. Go up to Object, break the blend apart. There we go. Then go up to Object and ungroup it. And then let's just try welding it. That's pretty good. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to bring this one in a little closer. So these lines are, not they're at a little bit of an angle, but let's take, so that line stops right there. So let's put a line right there. I'm actually using somebody else's, I want red. I'm going to hit F12 on the keyboard and make my hairline red. And then these kind of just get, you know what? We can bring this back. Let's make it a little transparent so we can see better. And they're not going to be exactly on top because of the fact that that's pretty close right there. So this line is going to break the fill from coming in. I'm going to put it right there. I don't know about this. So there won't be any fill coming in there. Let's take let's should take 2-point lines and go across here. I do not know about this last one because it actually, we'll have to look at the picture here in a minute. Yeah, it doesn't go down into it, so I need to stop that too. So when I say stop, I mean putting a line so the Smart Fill tool won't get into there. And it shouldn't anyway, because it shouldn't come around that corner. Look at that. Nudge that out of the way. That's pretty close. Let's look at this. Take the transparency docker off. Mine might be a little bit, well, you know what? Let's change that color. Take the Smart Fill tool, get the eyedropper. I'd have to say, with the exception of maybe right there, I didn't do my angle good, but you could always fix that by just moving that angle. And see, the Smart Fill filled up on top of that, so we could delete that other copy. I actually think their logo would look better if they cut a line down the middle and had a sharp point, but I have seen the other part of the logo. It kind of makes sense now. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.